it's Sandy Missouri from Balloon Utopia and Market with Balloons. We're in the field here setting up an event. I want to show you a quick little tricks and tips. And I want to show you how to tie these big giant jumbo balloons to the ribbon. So we're using a nice wide ribbon here. And what we're gonna do, you see I'm holding the balloon and I'm kind of using my whole hand to hold it. So first of all, I'm gonna lay the ribbon between my thumb and forefinger. And now I'm kind of cradling the balloon between my middle finger and index finger. And I'm gonna use the power of all three fingers. So I'm gonna wrap it around, trapping that ribbon right in the middle. And now you see I'm using all three fingers to kind of create a hole that I can flip that nozzle into. And then I'm just pulling my fingers out. And there we go. You see, that ribbon is now trapped inside there. So I'll show you one more time real quick. So another little tip real quick, in order to make sure the balloons are sized the same, I'm counting how many seconds of air I'm putting in it. One more trick, because this is just a one-day event, I don't need these balloons to float for 3 days, so I'm using a 60-40 valve. It's putting 60% helium, 40% air. So there's a little hole there that's sucking in air as it puts in the helium. Okay, so one more time. Now you can probably see it better because we got blue and white on this one. Okay, so you see I'm trapping the ribbon in my index finger and thumb. I've got the balloon between my ring finger and my middle finger. I'm wrapping around all three fingers, making a nice little hole there using the power of my thumb and my hand to get it in, flipping that through just like that, grabbing it, and then pulling my fingers out, leaving the ribbon trapped in, just like so. So there you go. So, if you like this, and you want more of it, leave me a comment and tell me what other little things you want me to teach you, what designs you want, what tips and tricks you want, what things you're struggling with. Make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, share it with everyone you know, and of course,
go forth and balloonify.
Thank you. Share it with everyone you know, and of course, go forth and balloonify.